Beam trawling is a physical sampling method used to capture subtidal macrofauna such as the likes of crustaceans and echinoderms. For this demonstration, I will be using a fish tank and also a fish net to show you the principles of beam trawling. In summary, a weighted trawling net is attached to the back of a trawling boat which is powered to drag the net across the sea floor. The net's general structure includes a recorded height and length which can be used to determine species density in relation to area. The top and the bottom of the net are held open by a metal beam with two shoes that disturb the surface of the seafloor. The end of the net is tied so that when brought on board, captured organisms can be released easily. The net is attached to the boat via a towing chain. The process begins with the net being dropped off the back of the ship, with the weight of the metal beam dragging the net down. Once the net hits the seabed, it begins to be dragged for a set distance. As you can see, it only disturbs the top layer of the substrate, hence it is unlikely to catch burrowed benthic organisms. It is typical that slow-moving or seaside organisms are caught, like echinoderms or gastropods. Once complete, the net is reeled back up to the surface on the boat where the tied end is unknotted to release captured organisms. Some examples of organisms captured from the beam trawl off of Millport include brittle stars, squat lobsters, and scallops. Although beam trawling is useful to determine the presence of a species within an area, there are some limitations. The size of the mesh of the net will influence both the size and type of organisms caught, as some may be able to escape through the net. Faster moving organisms like fish may be able to evade the net as it trawls. Finally, beam trawling does not account for variability of distribution of species due to habitat preference or seasonal migrations of select species to and from the trawled area.